Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook identity not confirmed. So in this situation, you can see a page like this when you wanna log into your Facebook. So you have to go for continue, and after that you can see here like this page. Just approve your login on another phone or computer, or uh, by send a code to your phone. So you can choose a option from here. After that, you have to uh, choose a device, continue, or go for confirm identity in another way. Then go for in these two options. From these two options, you have to choose one. If you go for approve your login to another phone or computer, you can go for this option, and if you wanna go for get a code sent to your phone, and you can go for this option and go for continue. So when you are tap on continue, then you have to uh, go for confirm identity in another way, or just put your phone number here and go for continue. Then you have to upload your photo or ID. Here you have to check it and go for continue. Then again you have to click on this continue option. Then you have to take photo of your ID card, and you have to check it and tap on continue. Then you have to add your email address, which is very new, which is not included on your Facebook ID. You have to enter a new email here, then go for continue. After that, you have to enter your password here, then click on continue, and at last go for OK. And now you have to just go for continue and wait for 1 day or 2 days, minimum 1 day and or 2 days. After that, Facebook authority will reply you and fix your problem, and you can uh, logged into your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.